Hi everyone, my name is Camila and today I will show you how to replace the battery for the Nintendo 3DS XL. It's a very simple thing to do. You just need a small screwdriver, and in the back of the console you need to loosen two screws. I'm using a Phillips 1.5. After you loosen the two screws, you have to take the console by the side. It has little locking tabs here. You just put your fingernail there and you push it out. See? Very simple. There's another one on this side, and there you go. You can now remove this back plate and you gain access to your battery. See? This is a SPR003 3-volt battery, 1750 milliamp hours. Okay, you can also exchange this battery with the new Nintendo 3DS batteries. Okay, they are the same size, they fit in both consoles. Now that you remove the old battery, you just take your new battery and put it correctly in its place, respecting the position of the contacts. Okay, it won't fit other way, so don't worry, but this is how you do it. You put the contact part first. See, there's a little tab here that will prevent you from putting it the wrong way, but put that side on first and then you just press it down and there you go. All you have to do now is put the plate back. Remember, you have to put those little tabs first, and once they fit in, you just press against the plate to lock it in place, and now you can screw back the two screws. Okay, this is a very simple thing to do. You can change it at home, and there you go.